Alright, so if you want to listen to audiobooks using Scribd, yeah, it's actually a really easy feature once you know where everything is. Let's go step by step so you can start listening like a pro. First, open Scribd on your phone or browser and log into your account. Without logging in, you won't be able to access full audiobook features. Now look for the Audiobooks tab or just type audiobooks in the search bar. You can search by book name, author, or even topics like motivation, business, or self-improvement. Now tap on any audiobook you like. It will open the playback page with details and chapters. Just press the play button and the audiobook will start playing instantly. You can pause, skip, or rewind anytime. If you want, you can change the playback speed, slow it down or speed it up depending on your preference. If you have a subscription, you can download audiobooks and listen offline without internet. Tap save or add to libraries so you can easily find your audiobooks later. You can also keep listening while using other apps. That's perfect for studying or multitasking. And yeah, that's how you use Scribd audiobooks step by step. Once you get used to it, you can turn any free time into learning time.